What's going on, guys, and welcome back to a brand new video and a brand new episode. And on the channel today we are doing this quite late at night. It's gone 9 o'clock. I think it's like 10 past. So we're out at the last little bit of daylight that we've got, and today there's two things I wanted to cover, and one of those is my Facebook and Instagram page. I had these out like 3 days ago, but I wanted to do a quick little video on, not just on them basically. And the second little thing is, today we filmed our Friday night update. We filmed it on a Thursday, we uploaded it on a Friday. So we didn't get around to doing everything. So I'm also gonna show you the bits that we didn't show you guys, and I'll go through those bits briefly, and hopefully in the next Friday night update I'll try go through them in more detail, as well as showing you the greenhouse and the veg. So the first point that we can start with, I guess, is Facebook and Instagram. Basically, so today isn't we're not going to do the normal editing, we're not going to do the normal thumbnail that we normally do. So this is going to be a straight upload. Yeah. So it's going to be slightly different. Normally, you guys would know we do editing, and then we do our normal thumbnail that we like to do. Or my dad does all the editing in that side of the channel. Basically, Instagram is going to be photos of flowers, and so I was at my nan's at the weekend, so the weekend just gone, and I took a few pictures, and so that's what I'm uploading right now. And then I'll probably take a few pictures of some flowers that we've got around our garden and start uploading them. So you can follow me there, and also like the images as well. If you wanted to, you can comment as well. And as well on Instagram, you can see, there might be, I'm not too sure how often I'll do a very short video. It might be once every 2 weeks, once every week. I'm not too sure. I haven't quite figured it out yet. But right now it is photos. I uploaded a photo today, and as well, so going on to Facebook, you can find my page. I'll leave links in the description to both Instagram and Facebook. So I'm going to be doing the pretty much the same on Facebook, but I think I'll do videos slightly more often than I do on Instagram, maybe 2 a week or something, and I'll decide what days I do them. I probably won't say a certain day. I probably won't say, oh, I'm going to upload a video Monday and Sunday, because but by the time they come around, it's, oh, I need to record a video, oh, it's too late. So I'm not going to say when it's going to be. It will be whenever, so you can, you can just, links in the description below, and I'll just but yeah, Facebook is gonna be short videos and photos. So as I just said, the videos might be a little bit more often than what I do on Instagram. But let's get on to the second bit and show you some of the bits that we didn't get around to showing you guys on the Friday night update. So you guys are getting a little sneak preview, and well, it's not really a sneak preview, because when they don't really get features in the Friday night update, so you know. So moving on to the bits that we didn't cover in our Friday night update. So the sweet peas are starting to die back a little bit, so we can take these canes back and use them somewhere else, because we're running out of canes and we sort of need them for a few bits, like projects that will be coming up, videos that will be coming up on the channel. So we've staked our Delphinium, and basically we put a cane in, and now it's starting to actually flower, which is very, very nice. We've got some little buds here, which will hopefully, I don't know whether they'll come through this year or whether it will be a next year thing. I'm not too sure. But next to my dad is our dahlia plant, and so we came out, and or I should say, more importantly, my mum came out and squeezed the majority of the aphids that she could. But it looks like some of them have come back, so that's a job that we need to keep on top of. And we also have a slight issue with these aphids on one of our fruit trees, which we need to get on top quickly, because we want our fruits to come through this year. So the Hydrangea is in full flow right now, and so you can see there's a lot of flowers. And over on Instagram, and I think I've done like one picture on Facebook as well, but over on Instagram there's a lot of hydrangea photos on there right now. So, but they're of my nan's ones, and hers is a lot. Well, a few of them are a lot prettier than what ours is, because she's got a multicoloured one. She's got like a pink and purple one, I think it is, which looks quite nice. And then she's got like a blue, like a turquoise slash blue one. So a lot of her flowers are nice. I did a tour of hers on Sunday, where it came out Sunday. So you can go check that out. You could just put it on, you could just search it in on our channel. But so yeah, and there was a few hydrangeas that featured in that video. So we need to finish off the bark shipping area that we said we were going to do. There is a little bit of maintenance to do, just in that place and just up there. But back to the bark shippings, we've got a massive roll of cardboard. It's probably, if you stretched it out, probably if you like stretched it out, it's probably as tall as my dad, and my dad's about 6'2" or whatever it is, so it's quite tall, if you were to stretch it out the way. But I don't think it would do this whole little bit that we need to do. But so we'll take a picture of that. I won't show in this video, but when we can get some more bark shipping. And then once we do that, we need to take a trip down to Sheerness, because it's the only place that I know that there's a place down in Sheerness, just over a bridge, and then you've got an island that's quite near to us. But basically, that's the only place that I know where you can actually get quite nice stepping stones, and we got these stepping stones that you're seeing now. And so like a different our stepping stones there as well. I'm not too sure why we put stepping stones there. I have no idea why we put stepping stones there. I think it looked nice at the time. So the reason why we're putting stepping stones in is because you could imagine coming along at winter, everything being sludge. We need some stepping stones, so there's probably going to be quite a few stepping stones that we need to, because you don't want to exactly be like, you don't want to be stepping like a really long way to try and get to the stepping stone. So we're probably going to have quite a few of them. We need to put them so I think we are going to go all the way over there where the steps begin. So we need to put them and then to the different bits. So just before I round off, I'm sitting next to our little ornamental duck. This is quite a nice flower. I'm not too sure what it is, but yeah. So if you did enjoy this video, I talked about, well, I showed you some of the bits that we didn't mention in the Friday night update, and yeah. So. And I didn't show you the Instagram and Facebook page, but links are in the description below. But if you did enjoy, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and as always, don't forget to slam that notification bell so you're notified when I upload my brand new videos. When you do that, yeah, I've already mentioned this. So there isn't 2 videos popping up because it isn't an editing video. Normally I say, and there's 2 videos coming up here. One is there, blah blah blah, and whatever it is. But yeah, so there's none of that today. So I will catch you all in the next one, guys. And don't forget, link is in the description below to my Facebook and Instagram page. Bye, guys.